Today's problem 918, find unique binary string. So the first idea that I had how to solve this problem is actually using just convert these numbers to binary strings, or like to binary numbers. Convert the strings to binary numbers and then check if from 1 to whatever number I have to 2 to the power of 16 if it's included into this set. So I'm gonna go for, first I'm gonna process the numbers for num in nums. I'm gonna go while for I in range. So I'm gonna start with len num -1, do -1, and then I go called digit equals 0. I'm gonna have this set equals and then I'm gonna go d equals d shifted by 1 and nums I minus so I'll do order minus order of 0. That's gonna be, and then here not and but or, and then I'm gonna set that add digits, and then I'm gonna go for I in range len nums. I'm gonna check if I plus 1 in S, and then I'm gonna do not I'm gonna return I plus 1 and then otherwise return -1. Let's run it and check if it works. It does not. Nums I. Select the character num I. I should output the string also. Okay. Say found equals -1, then found equals I plus 1, then break, and then let's say print found. It's still not gonna work, but I wanna just do this found. Okay, what does it print? Prints found -1. Oh, here it's actually not range, like max. Let's do this. Max equals 2 to the power of len nums, and then max plus 1. Okay, found 3. So I need to, in the end, to convert it to a string. So I'm gonna go result equals this array, and then I'm gonna go while if found equals -1, then return just empty array, return result, and then while found greater than 0, I'm gonna go res dot append found and 1, and then else append 0, if found and 1 equals 1, then I will append 1 else if also 0, and then I wanna do ref, and here reversed. Also I wanna do found shift equals found like this. No. Expected, so res and then string or str string. Oh, I can just do join. So now it's passing. Let's do check what's happening here. Output is okay. Let's print it. Still found. What does it find? Print f found, then found. Okay, found 1. Okay, let's print the set. Print set. So in this case, set is 0 and 0 and 2. Here should be actually range len num. Made a small mistake. 1 3 7. Yeah, found 2. Expected. Oh. I also need to do this digits counter. If res while len res not equal len, say num 0, I wanna res dot append, and then I wanna append 0. Okay, so let me remove all the print line. But it's interesting why its memory exceeds the limit. I wanna debug it. So if we have 0, starting from 0, then it goes keys. Oh, it's interesting. Where is it falling? Okay, while less than the nums, something like this. Okay, it was falling in that place, so now it returns just 2, I guess. It returns 2 while it should be returning 0. Okay, so I'll just start iterating from -1 here, and then it should be fine. Yeah, so couple of back and forth. I guess the much easier idea is to, or not much easier, much smarter idea is like, because we have 2 to the power of 1 combinations here, I can do the following. I can basically, for every n, I can have a different, for every I, for every nums, for every ith nums, I can check the ith bit and make it different for the result. And this will ensure that every my final number gonna be different from each of nums. So what I say, so I'm gonna have result is equal, say 0 multiplied by len, let's say, yeah, 0 multiplied by, let's say we have n is equal len nums, and then I'm gonna multiply it by n, and then for I in range n, I wanna set the result if the nums I and then I is equal to 0. I wanna do this res I is equal 1, else res I gonna be equal 0, and then in the end I wanna return I just think join result. I even can do this one-liner for this solution. I'm gonna go for this. So I wanna do this. Okay. For num in nums, and then I guess enumerate nums, and then I wanna have this I comma num, and then I wanna check so it's a 1 if num I is equal 0, else I wanna have it 0 here. Okay, that's it. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Submit again. Yep, that's it.